Hey, what's up guys? So today we will be making a quick and easy balloon arch with the kit purchased on Amazon. So what comes in the kit, you have all of these really cute balloons and they vary in sizes. So you have many different sizes and colors and they just look so cute. So you have some that are really large like this one, and then you have some that are smaller like that. So the size vary just so the balloon arch can look really pretty. And then you have some little tiny baby ones like that. So cute and adorable. Oh, and then you have these really cute ones that have confetti on the inside. They are so cute. I love these balloons. They look so pretty when they're blown up. You'll see when I blow them up. They're so cute and adorable. They just add a little extra touch. So the kit also came with these little plastic tools to make balloon flowers, which I thought was really cool. I don't plan on using them to make flowers, but it was just neat that it came in the kit. So ribbon also came in the kit to help wrap around the balloons and manipulate the balloons and how they're all set up so that it looks exactly the way that you want it. Okay, it also came with this really neat balloon tire. You slide it on your fingers and you can like tie the balloons, but I don't really use it. I don't know, I just tie it by hand. And then there's also these little glue dots where you can glue the balloons together, keep them in place so that they don't move a lot. There you go. So you see they're like little glue dots and you just peel it off and stick it on the balloon and the balloons can stick to each other, which I thought was really neat. So this is what the confetti balloon looks like. Isn't that just so adorable? It just adds a little extra something to the balloon arch. And then you have the pearl balloon. It's cute. And also you have a really soft pink pretty balloon. Alright, let's get started. So this neat little balloon pump was also purchased on Amazon. It's just going to make the balloon blowing much faster and it's really neat. It has an on-off switch right there and also the power cord. And if you turn it around to the other side, there are two knobs that kind of like wiggle and move around so that when you push you can blow the balloon without having to actually push the button, which I thought was neat. So the way that it works, you take your balloon, cover the tip right there, and push it to the side, and then it's going to inflate. Simple as that. And then you're just going to tie the balloon in a nice little knot, just like that. And you're all done. So once you have all of the balloons blown up, I like to blow up all the balloons before I start placing them on the arch. These balloons are so pretty, so cute. They're just perfect for a girly baby shower. With the balloon arch, you do need a device that you want to use to kind of anchor the balloon arch to. I am going to use this stand purchased on Amazon as well. It's really neat. It's adjustable. It has 3 clamps at the top, and then I just draped chiffon fabric that I purchased at Hobby Lobby over the top to make a really pretty backdrop, and the balloons are going to go around the edge. But there are so many different stands, different styles. As you can see, this has like a tripod style leg. You can have some that are flat on the floor. There's such a wide variety that you can choose from. So just go with whatever suits you, whatever you prefer. I'm going to use balloon tape, which is not technically tape. It's just a strip of plastic that has holes uniformly placed all the way down the strip. So we use the holes to anchor the balloons together, and then you'll be able to manipulate it and place it on your backdrop. So as you can see, it's a larger hole connected to a smaller hole. So what you're going to do is take the balloon, place it through the larger hole. You're going to slide it across to the smaller hole to kind of secure it in place. And as you can see, the holes are very uniform. I don't know exactly how far apart they are, but they're uniform all the way down the strip. And this is a really long strip. I believe it's like 50 feet, but I'm not going to use the entire thing. Alright, so you see you have the larger hole again, and then you have the connector and then the smaller hole. You want to take the end of the balloon and make sure that you are securing the knot in place. And you want to place that knot right there. You want to place the knot in the larger side of the plastic hole. Just make sure you get the entire knot in place, and then you're going to use the little connector to slide it over and kind of lock it in place on the smaller hole so that it doesn't fall out. And make sure you put it through all the way past the knot, because if you don't, then it makes it easier for the balloons to like pop out of place, especially when you start manipulating the arch. So make sure you put it all the way through. Slide the entire balloon to the smaller side to lock it in place. So we have the first one in place. Now we're going to move on to the next one, and I'm actually going to place it on the opposite side of the tape. So I'm going to be alternating, putting the balloon on one side, then the other, then one, and then the other. But I'm going to place it the exact same way I did the first one. It's going to make a fuller arch when you alternate instead of keeping them all on the same side. So again, don't forget, pull the entire knot all the way through the larger hole, just like that. Make sure you get it all the way through, otherwise it can easily pop out, and you definitely don't want that. So pull it all the way through and just be very careful. Okay, you're just going to slide and lock it in place into the smaller hole, just like that. So you see how it's looking again. I alternated, so I started on the left and I came to the right, and now the next balloon is going to go on the same side as the pearl balloon. And I like to mix up the colors as well. Again, you can do whichever way you choose, just like modify it to fit whatever you want it to be. But I'm going to go ahead and get this next one in place, and I'm just going to continue doing this all the way down the tape strip until I get the length that I want for my specific balloon arch. So this is what it's looking like so far. I haven't placed many balloons, but it's already looking so cute and adorable. And this is just such a cool little thing, because this is just the base of the balloons, but you can go back once we've added all of the major balloons and add smaller balloons to fill in the empty spaces that you have there. You can make it as large, as fat, as plump as you would like for it to be. This is your chance to do exactly what you like. So I'm going to continue adding them on until I have the desired length. And again, just have fun with it. Just play around with it. Mix up the colors and alternate the sides. And then once you're done, add in balloons to fill the empty spaces. You can also add in flowers or greenery, anything like that. Just like modify it, be creative, make it fit whatever your theme is. Alright, so I'll continue working and show you the finished product. So I also decided to add these adorable little balloon letters that say "Oh baby," and I just draped them right in front of the chiffon just because I thought it'd add a little extra touch, but you can definitely do what you please. Again, this is what the finished product looks like. So cute and adorable. You can add in greenery, flowers, whatever you'd like. Just have fun with it and make it your own. And I also decided to wrap some just empty boxes with gift wrap to make them look extra cute and put them on either side of the arch. Again, you can make this whichever way you choose. You can even add lights. You can add tons of like little balloons at the bottom. Just make it so cute and adorable and make it fit your theme. But that's it.